PEARadise. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. A is for art. Hey guys, this is Learning PEARadise for Live and Learn while playing, exploring, using art, and reading. And right now it's time for art. So, since we are currently in a pandemic, we'd like you to meet the mastermind of all this. Meet Cyrus the coronavirus. And we have bad news for you. He has children! Wait, where are we dramatic? Oh my gosh. Anyway, meet Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and Delta. Delta is the one that's currently trying to roll over the world. But we have some tips and tricks, that way she doesn't get us at all. So, if you want to remember, check out this rap song. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. Around the people. Okay. Where you're not. Alright. It's not too hard or too much to ask. Hand sanitizer and wash your hands with soap to get those germs in a microscope. Okay. Keep your distance about 6 feet. Follow these rules and we can beat it. Cyrus the virus, get out the way. You won't get us as your prey. Come on. Yo. Here we go. Come on. One more time. Let's do it. Around other people. Yeah. Wear your mask. Okay. Not too hard or too much to ask. Hand sanitizer and wash your hands with soap to get those germs in a microscope. Keep your distance about 6 feet. Alright. Follow these, but then we can't be it. Cyrus the virus, get out the way. You won't get us as your prey. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed it. And remember, you can make your own rap song too. And we hope you memorize that song, that way you know your tips and tricks. And we'll see you next time in the Learning PEARadise. Bye! Remember to check out Play, Explore, and Read, all about the virus. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.